Aftershoot versus Capture One photo editing workflow comparison. Choosing the right photo editing software can completely change how you manage and enhance your images without wasting time or losing quality. Both offer unique approaches to streamline your editing process. Aftershoot and Capture One are powerful photo editing workflows designed for photographers. Aftershoot focuses on AI-powered culling and quick edits, while Capture One offers advanced manual controls and professional-grade color grading. The core difference lies in automation versus detailed customization. Aftershoot is an AI-driven photo culling and editing software designed to speed up your workflow. It automatically analyzes your images to select the best shots based on focus, composition, and facial expressions, saving hours of manual sorting. Aftershoot also offers basic editing tools like exposure, white balance, and color correction, allowing quick adjustments after culling. Its strength lies in automation, making it ideal for photographers who want to reduce time spent on repetitive tasks and focus on final edits. However, Aftershoot's editing capabilities are more limited compared to full-featured editors, lacking advanced retouching and color grading options. It works best for wedding, event, and portrait photographers who handle large volumes of images and need to efficiently narrow down selections before detailed editing elsewhere. Capture One is a professional photo editing software known for its sophisticated color grading, precise adjustments, and tethered shooting support. It provides photographers with full manual control over exposure, contrast, color profiles, and advanced retouching tools. Capture One excels in delivering high-quality raw processing with customizable workspaces and batch editing features. Its interface is designed for photographers who demand fine-tuned control over every aspect of their images. While Capture One requires more time to master compared to automated solutions, it offers unmatched flexibility and output quality. It is ideal for studio photographers, commercial shoots, and professionals who prioritize image fidelity and extensive editing capabilities. Capture One's limitation is the steeper learning curve and longer editing times, which may not suit photographers looking for quick turnaround or automated workflows. Aftershoot and Capture One serve different needs within the photo editing workflow. Aftershoot shines in automating the culling process, drastically reducing time spent selecting images, which is invaluable for fast-paced shoots with hundreds of photos. However, its editing features are basic and best paired with other software for advanced retouching. Capture One, on the other hand, offers deep control over image quality and color, making it a powerhouse for detailed edits and professional output. The trade-off is the time investment and learning curve. For photographers managing large batches who want speed and simplicity, Aftershoot is a strong choice. For those focused on precision and high-end edits, Capture One delivers superior results, but demands more time and expertise. Choose Aftershoot if you need fast, AI-powered culling with quick edits, especially for large volumes of images and efficient workflow management. Capture One is the better option for photographers who require advanced editing control and professional-grade color grading. It's perfect for detailed studio work and commercial projects where image quality and customization are paramount. Select the workflow that best fits your editing style and project demands.